precision, unwavering excellence, and nothing but the absolute best. Together, creating the shape of a dream. It's the perfect blend of quality, reliability, and relentless innovation that defines us as nautical pioneers. Not just for today, but also for the days to come. Every day, our commitment to contribute to a better world and our customers' ultimate aspirations fuel our drive to innovate. Exploring the boundaries of design, engineering, and craftsmanship, leading the way in the maritime industry, finding technological solutions to challenge tomorrow's future. It's our knowledge, experience, and craftsmanship, honed over more than 500 years, passed down from generation to generation, from hand to hand, all spread over a strong supply chain of more than 100 companies. From today, we set sail on an expedition shaping tomorrow's future, making a positive impact by improving energy efficiency and design standards, reducing carbon footprint, and ultimately achieving zero with clean propulsion and fuel technologies. Breathing new life into legendary icons, aligning them with cutting-edge standards. We are Rotterdam, Maritime Capital of Europe. Do you see what we see? Do you feel what we feel? The shape of a new tomorrow is crafted today.